Why is everything here just cute? It tastes just like cough syrup. Why are there always these? It is so beautiful here that even McDonald's looks elegant. I got into Krakow 2 hours before my Airbnb, and my Airbnb is 30 minutes from the bus stop, so I decided just to walk. I don't have that much time because of the walk, so I just picked up a sandwich from Zabka. There's actually one across the street. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it's kind of like a 7-Eleven. And they have a chorizo sandwich, and I love chorizo, but I've never had a cold chorizo sandwich. I'm very curious. Then I got a little cold pressed juice. I don't know what's in it. I don't know. It just looks good. And I'm sitting in the middle of the street right now. There is a path for bikes and for scooters, and there's trees and benches. It's really pretty. And man, it was actually hard to find a bench out here. It's so beautiful. There's a Zappa right there, right behind that tree. I'm at my next Airbnb. I'm gonna show you around a little bit. It is so cute and definitely different from my other places, and you'll see why. Here's how it looks when you walk in. Clearly I already threw my stuff down. Great natural light. Perfect for filming. This is great. That's also something that I look for because I don't carry my lights with me when I travel this light. Great working space. And this is the bed. It's a little spiral staircase. I haven't checked, oh, great closet space too. I haven't checked out the bathroom. Okay, this is new. This is what is that? Oh my goodness. This is so fun. Look at the shower. Bathroom. And then this one, this is why I also got this one, because there's an in-unit washer. And I need to wash my clothes. Blow dryer. This place has everything I need. Blow dryer, iron. I'm ready to go. I gotta jump right into an appointment though. I am kind of late. Woohoo! It's my first full day back in Krakow. Feels good to be back. It's not been very long, but it feels great. And I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat right now. Last night I finished filming the recap for Supra. This morning I spent the whole morning editing it. Right now it's exporting. It's a massive file. And I need to take a little lunch break, and then I'm gonna meet with clients and then hopefully go grab some dinner later tonight. That would be also good. So I'll take you along for lunch. Let's go. Also, did another round of laundry. I didn't even have to wash every one of these pieces, but some of them didn't smell as fresh as I wanted them to, so I did it. And I'm learning that these little racks are pretty common. I don't know if nobody really uses dryers here. I love the location of this Airbnb. It was so close to a lot of great attractions, so I'll link its listing in the description. Why is everything here just cute? Everything. Cute. Oh my gosh. A dress shop. I feel like I need to relocate. Okay. I went to this like outdoor food court area and I got some kielbasa. It looks so good. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. Wow. That's incredible. Wow. Highly recommend. This is the first time I've gone out this late. I'm looking for a restaurant that I heard was really good, but I was here the other day, the last time I was in town. I'm right beside the palace. It's lovely. This restaurant is located on the street that leads to the main square. It was so good, and even though I showed up 15 minutes before closing, the staff was still very nice and accommodating and still served me. So, highly recommend them. So I ordered some traditional breaded pork. I have no idea. I've just been taking recommendations this whole time. But it's really beautiful here. I have a seat by the window. I have to say, this whole street too, there's so much going on. There's people out, the weather is beautiful, definitely a place to see. I don't know what that is, but this is a breaded pork potato. Oh my god, it's so good. This is, I don't even know how to describe it. I don't even know what I'm eating. I know pork, but oh my gosh. Whatever this is, I don't know, but I love it. And this comes out to only $10 American about. That's insane. I'm just gonna move here.
The main square at night is breathtaking. There is no shortage of cafes, there's live music, there's families, kids, people on date night. It is such a beautiful sight. You have to go to the main square at night if you're in Krakow. It's worth seeing. It was breathtaking.
Look what's behind me. I don't even know, but it is so beautiful here that even McDonald's looks elegant, and I didn't think that that would ever be possible. Yeah, McDonald's looks like a cute cafe, just like all the rest, or like a restaurant patio. Where am I right now? It's about 6:05. This is the earliest I have been out so far. Oh, perfect. There are scooters everywhere. I'm gonna take one. This is my last full day, I think. I'm gonna go take some pictures at the city square area, and then I'm gonna get back and I'm gonna film Bidding Bidding Pilipinas, my favorites for their national costumes. And then I got coaching appointments today. There's a lot going on. Look at this, it's so empty now. It was lovely.
The main square was so beautiful, I decided to go back, and there is so much history here. It dates back to the 13th century. You can see St. Mary's Basilica, the Town Hall Tower. A main attraction in the center is Cloth Hall, and then there's some other churches in the area as well as monuments. It's just so beautiful, day or night, definitely somewhere that you have to see, and also it's a great place for shopping.
That's a cute dog. It's a cute one. I got one of these. I see them everywhere. Clearly it's bred, but I don't know what they're called. They're everywhere. And they're about $2.50 zlotys. I'm gonna try one. I don't know what to do. It's just bred. It looks cute though. Good church. Everything's beautiful. After my little trip to the square, I came back, took a nap, and then finished editing a new episode. Obviously, got dressed. And yeah, the episode's uploading right now. I'm gonna go grab some lunch. I potentially have 2 clients to meet with today, so it's been a busy day, and I have an intro to write. And then I need to book plans for tomorrow because I have nowhere to go. Yeah. I check out of here at 11 and still nothing is booked. So I think I'm gonna book a flight to Spain and hopefully meet up with Sophia. We'll see if that works out. Oh, and then a late dinner tonight. That'll be fun. But let's go to lunch. And here is my OOTD, by the way. Pretty casual. And I got, just some sandals on. I really just enjoy walking. When I hurt my foot in Florida, that was not a great time. And it made me so thankful for mobility. It's such a cute walk. I need to live somewhere where I can walk places. I think I'm just gonna stay in Europe for a long time. But I also just wanna go back to Asia. Oh, there's so many great places.
I wandered around my neighborhood for a while and had nowhere in particular that I wanted to go. I found myself back in the area of the food court that I was in, and I really just wanted to get some authentic Polish food because I'm in Poland. I'm gonna get as much as I can. So I found this great little restaurant, but honestly, there's so many of them, I really don't think you could go wrong. This is the one I went to, and I really enjoyed it.
I'm gonna get some pierogies. I've had them before in the city, but I heard these could be better. So I'm torn between mushrooms and the one with spinach. I'm not sure, I'm gonna ask the waitress. Okay, wow. Oh my gosh. They got the chicken and spinach ones.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that bite. Oh, there's a bee. Okay, that's a bee. Why are there always bees? Go away. Go away.
And I always get stung by them.
Please go.
Why are bees attracted to me? This is phenomenal. Oh my goodness. I could put on a few pounds with these. Okay, I'm feeling a little sweaty. That was an adventure. I took a scooter to get as close as I could to the restaurant for tonight, and the app wasn't working. It kept telling me park in a designated parking area, and I would drive to the parking area, and then it would say no, and it would say go to a different one. So I did that for about 30 minutes. Should not have taken that long. And then I realized that if I close the app completely, then it refreshes and then it works. So I was like, I'm gonna get on another scooter to get even closer to my destination. And then I ended up in a red zone, in a big red zone. So I had to drive out of that too. So things have not been going well.
I made it to dinner. I just ordered, I don't know what I ordered again. I just feel sweaty. I have a 10:30 a.m. flight. I have to be at the airport so early. I just want to cry right now. Just a little bit. I'm just tired, that's all.
I ordered this one. Looks great. This is beet and horseradish, and then this is the pork tenderloin. And that's cheese, I think. Cranberry. Oh, it looks so good. It smells delicious.
Wow. Oh, that's different. Oh, so many flavors. It's like I tasted the cranberry, then the cheese, then the pork. Wow. I've never had beets with horseradish, but I love beets. Ooh. If you've had Polish food, comment below. Now I'm gonna look for Polish restaurants. The flavors are just unique. This is not American at all. I feel like in America, there's more gravies. Does that make sense? That pork is insane. I was told by one of my Polish friends that I need to try this. It's raspberry. I don't even know how to say it, the name of it, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna give it a shot. Syrup. It tastes just like cough syrup. It's not bad.